May be soon eligible for a new start after Governor Gretchen Whitmer signed a pair of bills this week, allowing one-time drunken drivers to erase their prior conviction. Fox 17's Marisa Oberle is in the newsroom after speaking to a local criminal defense attorney about the legislation's impact. Marisa.
Yeah, Aaron, the state estimates this allows 200,000 people the chance for a new chapter, which that lawyer calls life-changing.
Sarissa Montague is eager for her clients' futures.
They're feeling really excited.
The Kalamazoo attorney working to clear the records of those found guilty of driving drunk.
It's not that everybody who has a first offense drunk driving is going to have that conviction set aside. You need to file an application and you need to prove that this was a one-time incident.
This week, Governor Gretchen Whitmer signed House Bills 4219 and 4220, allowing the expungement of convictions for a first violation of operating while intoxicated in certain circumstances, which includes doing so with a blood alcohol level above the legal limit or under the influence of certain drugs. The legislation's goal that passed with bipartisan support earlier this month is to give people a second chance.
I think that it gives people an opportunity to move past mistakes that they have made in their lives.
Montague says until now, those offenses stayed on a person's record forever, often impacting their ability to get a job or secure housing.
What it does is stigmatize that person as a criminal for their entire life. Many, many, many drunk drivers or people who are convicted of drunk driving are just regular people who made a bad mistake one night. Went to a party, then drove home, went out to dinner, then drove home. And that's all that happened.
People must wait 5 years after their sentence ends, then submit a petition to the court, which would be reviewed and determined by a judge. Incidents that cause death or serious injury to a victim do not qualify.
If you're eligible, it's because you've earned that.
Montague hopes it leads to better futures.
It helps people with employment. It helps people with living. And again, that trickles down to the entire family. And so it really is an opportunity for people to start over.
And that change goes into effect in February. It's part of a larger effort by the state to reform the criminal justice system. Earlier this year, a series of laws took effect that focus on expunging marijuana offenses and expanding to other misdemeanor and felony convictions. Reporting live in the newsroom, Marisa